Okay, here I have a set of 6 mason jars. Now this is such a handy size, especially if you're making like chia pudding or oats in the morning. You want to have overnight oats, then I absolutely love these jars. It's so cute with the different colors. They're sort of like muted tones. Comes with these 2 golden spoons so you can mix up all of your goodies. Also comes with a cleaner. And check out the seal on these things, so good. They fit nice and tightly, screw on nice and easily, and they are stackable, which I love. Perfect for being able to stack them in the fridge or in your pantry, whatever. Let's put some stuff in one of them, and I can show you how it does not leak. So we'll put some chia seeds in there. We'll grab some yogurt, mix it up, and then I want to show you how they don't leak. We'll mix that up. Looks so good. Perfect size for, like I said, your overnight oats. Maybe, yeah, you don't take yogurt with you to work. Okay, so I've got a liquid in there. Wow, no drips coming out. They seal so well. Absolutely love that. Like I said, they've got a really nice silicone seal on the top here, and they're made of glass, which is so nice. And the colors, really cute, nice muted tones. Absolutely love them. Highly recommend. Definitely go check these mason jars out.